Hi, all. Good evening. Ramaya here. Today we'll discuss about filter transformation. Filter transformation will help you to reject the unwanted data and it allows the wanted data to next level or downstream level. It allows the user to create single condition on multiple columns as per the condition that is available in your filter transformation. Integration service will come into the picture and it will evaluate accordingly. It will reject the records and it will allow the records to next level. Many of the people are discussing about the filter transformation, whether this is passive or active. By default, our filter transformation is passive transformation since it contains the true statement at the filter condition level. If you are going to use the false, then it become as active transformation. True means as per the condition, it passed to the records next level. False means as per the condition, it rejects the records which are coming from the source. All records are rejected from filter transformation itself and all records pass to next level from filter transformation itself. Now we have two types of benefits and disadvantages as well. What are all the benefits that we have with the help of filter transformation? What are all the data you don't want to pass next level? You can filter from the filter transformation itself. No need to flow with the help of your mapping flow unwantedly. No need to flow the unwanted data which is not required, or I can say which is not loaded into your target table. What are all the records you want, you can pass to next level or you can load into your target table. But filter transformation is case sensitive whenever you are going to use the filter condition with the string values. That we'll see in practical session. What is the case sensitive that we are having and how it will perform if you give string values as a filter condition. If you give number data type values in filter condition, there is no case sensitive. Case sensitive applicable only string values. Always use the filter transformation next to your source qualifier to reject the unwanted data. If possible, try to use the filter condition at the source qualifier level itself to avoid to use your filter transformation. Until unless you are going to use source as a files. If you are using source as a file, we are not having any filter condition or we do not have any query override facility in files. In that case, you can use the filter transformation very next to your source qualifier and we can apply conditions on multiple columns. Accordingly, as per the filter functionalities, we all know filter transformation will not capture any rejected records. Any rejected records it will not capture, or you are not able to see any rejected records in session log or bad file directory. Whenever you are going to use the filter transformation, always use the single condition with multiple columns. It will not allow you to use in operator within the filter transformation, and you have to use the single target table, and rejected records are not captured. These are all the major disadvantages whenever you are going to use the filter transformation. In filter transformation also we have performance consideration. Keep the filter transformation as close to as much as possible to filter the rows early in the data flow. Do not flow unwanted records in your data flow. Try to avoid by using your filter transformation very next to your source qualifier. That is the one thing. Second performance tuning is try to use numeric related columns in filter transformation, whereas string values will not give good performance. If you use filter transformation, if you use filter condition with numeric column, it will give the good performance comparatively your string values that are available in the condition. Okay, let's see in a practical session how we are going to perform. Now let me try to create one mapping. Create mapping from underscore FLTR underscore TRG underscore EMP. Okay, this is my mapping name. Take EMP table as source. Okay, I'm going to take the EMP table as source, and I have target TRG underscore EMP. Now I am going to import my filter transformation. Okay, drag and drop into the columns into your filter transformation, and you can see here filter condition by default is true. It means that by default your filter transformation acts as passive. It's not a active unless it is not rejecting any data from the source qualifier or which are coming from the active source. It will not reject. What are all records are coming from the source qualifier, it will load into your target table. Okay, let me try to create session for this mapping. I am opening my workflow manager under task developer. If you click on task developer, you are able to see the tasks from the menu bar. Here you can give the session name accordingly. Click on create and you can configure your relevant mapping. Where is my mapping here? Filter transformation TRG EMP, right? Click on OK. Click on done. Open your session by double clicking. Go to mapping tab. You can view the connections, source connection, relational reader, Oracle database, and target relational reader again, Oracle. For time being, I am giving load type is normal and truncate and target table I am using to truncate if any data is available, and I will click on apply, click on OK, control yes. Once this is completed, go to workflow designer, create workflow. You can give the workflow name. Yes, I'm going to create my workflow. Take the relevant session. This is the one, and take link task. From here you can give the connection. Control yes. See now. Okay. Let me maximize this one. Start workflow. Automatically your monitor will start now. Let me check how many are loaded into my target table by click get run properties. Let me close this one. Now you are able to see here. 17 records are available in source and same records are available in my target table. Okay, now go and verify in database level. Now I'm opening my SQL. I'm giving credentials here. Let me set environments. Okay. Clear screen. Okay, how many records I have in my source? 17. Let me see the target data. Select to start from ERP underscore EMP. See, what are all the records are available in source, same are loaded into my target table. It means that in this particular scenario, filter transformation acts as the passive. It's not a active. It's not active. Let me show you how it behaves and what are all the conditions I want to change to convert this particular filter transformation as active. Go to properties. You can change the default true statement. Now I am going to apply some conditions now. If DPT number equal to 30 and salary greater than 1200, I need this data. If not, I don't want these records. Let me validate now. Okay, TRUE. Okay, I provided wrong statement. TRUE. Now this is validated. Click on apply. Click on OK. Control yes. Okay, once you did any changes at code, you have to refresh your session also. Control yes. Now go to your workflow and start workflow. Okay, 5 records are loaded into my target table. Let me see now. Okay, so it means that filter transformation acts as active transformation. What are all the records I want? I loaded into target table. Rest of the records are rejected. Those rejected records are not captured in session level or bad file directory. Okay. Now let me see what is case sensitive. What is case sensitive? I am going to implement different scenario now with the string values. Okay. Substring of ename, comma 1, comma 1. Okay, equal to, I'll give small r. It means that ename first character having all enames. If first character having small r, I want to load into target table. Rest are all I don't want to load into target table. This is case sensitive. Okay, let me show you. My expression is successfully cast. Okay, click apply, click OK, control yes. Now I done some changes at code level. I want to refresh my session again. Control yes. See, go to your workflow, start workflow. How many are loaded? 1 record. Let me see what are all the records are loaded into my target table. See here, our is the lower case, right? This is how case sensitive. If you see in source level, let me show you the source data. Select star from EMP. See in source we have, here we have R and here also we have R, right? From ename. Ename, from ename first character is small r, then only those kind of records will load into target table. See, this is small r and this is capital R. I provided in condition level small r. That is the reason I received only one particular record into my target table. But here we have r, which is related to capital letter. It will not allow. This is how case sensitive will work in filter transformation. Okay, so before giving any condition, we make sure that whether we are having source data properly or not. Accordingly, we can give the condition in filter level and we can filter the data. Okay, this is how it will work. Suppose now I will give capital R. Okay, validate your expression. Now this is passed successfully. Apply, click OK, control yes. Okay, now I saved my mapping. Go to session, the relevant one, refresh your session, then save, go to workflow, run workflow again. One record is loaded into my target table. Let me see which record is loaded. See now this time capital R related, who are all starting letter having capital R, those records are loaded. I have only one comparatively my source, only Rama related record loaded into my target table. This is how it will work. Okay, this is meaning of case sensitive in filter transformation. Okay, so filter transformation, as I said, we have multiple demerits, right? One is single condition. See here, I provided single condition on. If you want, you can give on multiple columns. For now, I provided only single column. Okay, this is the one drawback. Second one is, what are all the records are rejected that are all not captured. Third one is, it will take or you can give only single target table. What does it mean? If you give one more target table also here, it will accept. It will take the ports and it will create. But same data will available all multiple targets. That is the reason it allows single target table. Okay. Thank you. We'll see some other scenarios in upcoming sessions.